अभिवादनशीलस्य नित्यं वृद्ध्योपसेविनः चत्वारि तत्त्ववर्धते आयुर्विद्या यशोबलम। नित्य अभिवादन करने वाले और वृद्धजनों की हमेशा सेवा करने वाले की आयु, विद्या, यश और बल, ये चार चीज़ें बढ़ते हैं। द पर्सन हु आर सर्विंग, respecting the old persons, there are four things: increasing age, intelligence, renown, and power. Therefore, we must not respect our ancestors. We have to hear their feelings and they respect them. Our fathers, grandfathers, grandmother, all these we have to respect. छड़ सह कर्सह चीव विद्यामर्थ च चिंतयेत। छड़ त्यागी कुतो विद्या, कर त्यागी कुतो धनम। विद्या और धन के लिए प्रत्येक क्षण और प्रत्येक कण के लिए सोचना चाहिए, क्योंकि एक क्षण को भी छोड़ने अर्थात नष्ट करने पर विद्या कहाँ, अर्थात विद्या नहीं मिलती। ऐसे ही एक एक कण को का त्याग करते रहने पर भी धन नहीं जुड़ पाता है। We have to acquire the knowledge, we have to acquire the intelligence one by one, and also save the money small and small. Then we can collect the money. If we are spending the money more than our income, then we have to regret and we have to stop that of the work. हस्तस्य भूषणम दानम, सत्यम कर्षस्य भूषणम, श्रोतस्य भूषणम शास्त्र, भूषणे की प्रयोजनम। हाथ का गहना दान है, गले का गहना सत्य है, कान का गहना शास्त्र है, तो फिर अन्य बनावटी गहनों का क्या लाभ है। The real ornament of the man is donation of the hand, and truth is the ornament of the throat. Ear as the ornament, hearing the Purans, Gita, Ramayana and other fashions, artificial fashions are unnecessary. The voice, sweet voice is the really ornament of the educated person. उत्सवे वसने जीव दुर्व्यक्षे शत्रु संकटे, राजद्वारे सपसाने च यह तिष्ठति स बांधवः। उत्सव अर्थात किसी खुशी में, विपत्ति में, अकाल या भुखमरी में, शत्रु संकट उपस्थित होने पर राज दरबार और शमशान भूमि में जो साथ रहता है वही सच्चा मित्र है। True friend is that person who does not leave the company in the misfortune. He remains in the ceremony. He remains in all the happiness. He remains in the starvation. Always he remains with him. He is always, he remains us in our fortune or misfortune. He is our true friend. सर्वनाशे समुत्पत्ते अर्ध त्यजतेत पंडितः आर्दीन पुरुतः कार्य सर्व नाशोहे दुहस्। किसी कार्य के संपूर्ण नष्ट होने पर भी विद्वान उसे आधा छोड़ देता है और फिर वह आधे से कार्य करता है, क्योंकि संपूर्ण नष्ट होने से जीवन निश्चय ही कठिनाई से बिताने वाला हो जाता है। Something is better than nothing. If we are losing all the things, we have something, it is also sufficient. We have not contentment of half doing but not leave the whole. सर्वतीर्थमयी माता सर्वदेवमय पिता मातरम पितरम तस्मात् सर्वयतन पूजयते। माता में सभी तीर्थ हैं, पिता में सभी देव हैं, अर्थात सभी तीर्थ और देव इनमें वास करते हैं। इसलिए माता पिता की सब प्रकार से पूजा करनी चाहिए, अर्थात उनका आदर मान सम्मान व सेवा आदि करनी चाहिए। All the tourists, all the pilgrims and all the gods are present in the mother and father. Therefore we should never insult our parents. Parents are, if we are teasing our parents, we will not remain happy in our whole life. The person who tease their parents in their old age, they will not be happy in the life. This is the duty of all the descendants. They will have to worship their parents like God. These are alive gods of each person. नमन्ति फलिनो वृक्षा नमन्ति गुणनो जनाः शुष्क वृक्षास मूर्खास न नमन्ति कदाचन। फलों से लदे वृक्ष झुकते हैं, गुणवान लोग झुकते हैं, अर्थात वे स्वभाव से विनम्र होते हैं, किंतु सूखे हुए पेड़ और मूर्ख लोग कभी भी नहीं झुकते हैं। The trees bows on bearing the fruits on them. Similarly, the virtuous people, all these bows, they are polite by nature. The tendency of the virtuous people is polite, but the dried tree does not bow. Similarly, the stupid person does not bow. Stupid person have the very much proud. He does not bow. We should not be like these persons. The wisdom, the person who is actually intelligent, who is actually a scholar, he has to follow these of the properties. They have to the polite, not be abusing anyone, not by saying the harsh words. They have to say very polite, very sweet words to others. There will be not harm any others' feelings. All the students have to keep these rules very strictly, that they have not to speak harshly words, not loudly. Boys should not be more while talking to the teachers. When the students are asking the questions from the teachers, their voice must be polite, their voice must not be loud. They will have to keep the attention about these rules of the talking, and they have to polite. They must have to be the virtuous of the students by following the sloks of Sanskrit. All students have to create the habit to learn the fluency, to learn by hearted sloks, and also follow them, understand the meaning of the sloks in Hindi, and try to speak the English. Don't be ignore any of the language. You must be command all these three languages, also including Urdu, English में English, Sanskrit, Hindi. These languages you have to do command to learn the more and more words, or try to speak the fluency of the English. Also you have to translate these sloks. All students have to do the slok translate from Hindi to English, also learn the sloks of Sanskrit.